today's video, we'll be talking on how EMMIX-HUB works. Now, this is my EMMIX-HUB, and what we need is to check on everything on this EMMIX-HUB. Yes, so this one is to edit, to bring out what you want to write. This is to edit. Okay, and this plus button is to bring out your text, current date, sticker, shape from gallery and draw. So now this is our text. Okay, so this is to copy. Once you click here, you click on here, then you click on this copy, you bring out another text for you. Bring out another text. So that's it. Now you see this one over here, this one here. It's maybe when you made a mistake. This one over here, this one. Maybe when you made a mistake, then you click on it. You can see it's going back. Click on it, then it will be going back. Alright, so it has a lot of things here, a lot of instruments here. We have the padding, the size, the color, the texture, opacity, rotate, mask, font. And this font is to change the write-up. You can see, look over here, this upside here. You can see that the fonts are changing. You can see you have a lot of fonts on it, a lot of fonts on it. Okay, so we have a lot of things here. So for you guys to understand, to briefly understand it, I'll be designing a little thing so that you guys can actually know the instrument. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is that you bring out your designing. Since you bring out your shape, you go to your gallery. So you bring out what you actually want to design. So let's go to the image. You bring out what you want to design. Alright, so this is what we'll be designing for today. This is what we'll be designing for today. You can see this is it. So what you do is you have to reduce the shape of it. Okay, so you click on this A. You click on so to reduce it, you have to click here over here. This one is to reduce it. You can see it's reducing. You can see. Then you see this one over here is to rotate. This one over here is to rotate. You can see it's rotating. It's rotating. So what we are going to do now is we make it a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller. Then you keep it up here. So what we need now is the background. If you take a look at it, look at the inside, you can see that there are something like rock, all this stuff. So what we need to do is you click on this plus button here. You click on this plus button over here, and then you bring out your shape. Yes, this is your shape. But we are going to need something before the shape. We are going to need let's cancel it. We are going to need the background. So you click on gallery. I'm coming, guys. I'm actually looking for the background I use on this video. Okay, so this is it. This is the background. We make it square. This is what you are designing square. You click here to make it square. So you can now reduce it a little bit. Okay, so you click on this mark button over here to get started. Alright, so what we do next is we bold it. Okay, so you can see now it has been bold. So what we need, you click here. If you take a look, you can see that what you want to design is actually back of this thing. So once you click on here, this side, once you click here, you click there, you bring it, you draw this one over here, you draw it to the up like this, something like this. You draw it to the up. You can see it has been moved. Alright, so now you can see it's up of it. So what we need next is let's take this one up little, and then you drag it bold. You take it up little and then you drag it. Okay, so what we'll be doing next is we are going to bring out our shape, and then you load so you can see now that it's bringing out a lot of things here. So what you do is this opacity, this one over here, you need to lower it. You can see you can lower it to, let me say 71. Yeah, 71 is okay. So you click on this button here, and then you bold it exactly the way you do the first one. You bold it. Okay, so we still do the same thing. You still click here again, and you take this one to the up of it. and you click here to go back. You click here again to go back. Alright, so this is it. Meaning is you need another shape, this blue over here. You're going to bring out this blue here. So you click on this plus button and you bring out your shape and you make it long. Let's reduce this one. You make it long. You can see. So what we need is to paint it blue. So you click on this, you go down to fill color, and you click on the plus button there, this one here. You click on it and then you click here also. So you click there also, and you click on what you want to design. This one here, you click on it. This one. So once you click on it, you can see a little cycle here. This cycle that is moving around, this one. So you put it at the blue point, and then you click on this mark button. You can see we have our blue color now. Yes, this is our blue color. So once you are done, you click on this mark button, and then you need to bring that one up of it again. Then you take it off. Alright, so now it's up of the blue. Okay, so what is remaining now is the car. You need to bring out the car. Then you click on this plus button, go to your gallery, and you select the car. Okay, so this is our car. This is the vehicle here, and then you reduce it. You can see we are using photo room to edit to background. Okay, so in ending of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I remove this background. But first, let's finish what we are designing, and then I'm going to show you guys how I remove the background and the app I used to remove it. So now you crop it to little like this. Let me see, it's okay like this. Then you click on this mark button. So in here you can bring out different shape. There's cycle. Okay, so now this is our vehicle. This is it here. So let's reduce this one so it won't contain too much space. So this is our vehicle. We can reduce the vehicle a little bit small. Okay, so let's click on this place over here, and then you click on the I button on this one, the I button here, so it won't disturb. Okay, so it's no more. So what we need now is shadow. We need to put a shadow to make the car read that is standing on something. So what you do is click on shape, and you make sure it's joining each other, it's closing each other. So once the thing is closing, you scroll down, you go to your radius, you hide your radius, let me say 46. Then you go to the ending. You can see this blur, make sure it's high, is in 25. And the opacity, you can lower your opacity a little bit, and your stroke, you bring out your stroke like this, and your opacity, you make it 57. Let's leave it at 57, and then your stroke wide is full, is in 42. Then your opacity, you lower it 56, and your radius, it doesn't need anything. You can leave it full or low, anyone. Then you click on this mark button. So what we need next is we want to place it over here. If you can take a look at this line, you can see it's showing there's a white color, so you need to edit it back. There's a white color over there, which means it has not been closed very well. It has not been closed. So your opacity, your opacity should be low. When I mean opacity, I mean your radius opacity should be 0%. Okay, so now it's almost outside of it. Almost outside of it. So this is how you are going to do it. And then this front side, you pick another shadow. So instead of us to design it, you click on your before shadow and you click on this copy here. So it won't give you much stress. Then you copy it and you drag it to the front. So to this front side, you make sure that this front side is lit. You can go to editing to edit this your front side, and then you go to your stroke, then you reduce it little. It must not shine too much, the upside, since it's something front of your car. So this is it. I think this car, you are seeing the car. So let's leave this car over here like this. So you bring the shadow to front of the car. Yes, like this. Make sure it's not that big. Okay, so let's take a look at the one we are designing. Maybe it's exact. Okay, let's take a look at it. Now for this thing not to move, we are going to click on this side. So once you click there, you click on this icon here. Click on this down one, and then you merge it together. You merge the shadow, the two shadow, the car. Make sure you are not merging this one. Don't merge this one. Make sure you are not merging this one. You merge this one, and this one. So now what you are going to do is to click here to merge it. You click on this third one over here. You click on this third one here. You click on 1, 2, 3. So once you click on it, you can see, are you sure you want to merge it? You click on OK. Now the thing is not going to be moving anyhow. You click here to go back. You can see the tree has joined together. So this is actually what we need. Okay, so what we need to do right now is free shopping car. That's what we are going to be writing. And then you click here, bring out your text. You click on the text and then you write. You start from free. You write free. Make sure it's in capital letter. Free. Now you scroll. You click on this A, and then you scroll. You go to font. We are looking for font. You can see we have our font here. So you click on the font, and you can see different type of font. So the font we'll be using today is Abri, this one over here. You can see it on your Pixel app. So we use this one over here. Okay, so this is it. This is it. This is the font. Okay, so what we need again is shopping car. That's what we'll be bringing out. We need our shopping car. So you bring out your text again and you click on shopping. Shopping. Now you place it here. What you do, you still go to the font again and you put on the same font we use for the other one. The same thing, you put it there. Now let me show you something that will reduce your stress for you. Something that we I'm coming. It's actually moving. Something that will reduce the stress for you. Now for you not to be going front 2 times, since it's the same thing, you click on what you want to operate. Then you go to copy, you click on your copy, and then you can see it. Then you click on edit again to write another thing. Then you can write your car. All right, so this is our car here. You can see everything is already set. Now what to do is you want to make sure that this thing is standing at the middle. Then you go to position, you click on position, and you click on this side. this side. All right, I can see it's at the middle. Then the up one too, you go to position, you click on here. Make sure that what you want to design, your arrow is pointing at it, is at the middle. Then your car, your vehicle, is also at the center, the middle. Okay, so I think it's okay like this. Okay, so if you can take a look at it, you can see free shopping car. Now there are little right up there. Let's bold it. Get the perfect get the perfect car for you and your family. You can see it. So we are going to write that. We are going to write that. Get the perfect car for you and your family. Then you click on this plus, this text again, and you bring it here. Click on the text. So this one will be writing it in small letter, but you start with capital letter. Get the perfect car for, for you and your family. Okay, so what we need now is you make sure the thing is not too big. You reduce it. You can see it has been reduced. You can see this is it. So let's make it bold little. Okay. All right, so this is it for you and your family. So what we need now is, you see this, what we'll be doing now is over here, this write up, just seeing some little write up over there. Yeah, I'm coming, I want to write it little. There's still some little write up over there. Easy online appointment for you guys, enjoy your staying. Okay, so down of this card you'll be writing something like that. So let's copy and then you write it. I think it's little car for you and your family. Okay, so now this is it. You have it here. So what you do is you go to your size. We are looking for style. Yes, this B over here, style. So you click on the B and you click on this B again. You can see it's bold. You can see that it's bold. Once you click on it, it will be bold. So you click on this mark button. Then we go to our color. We need a black color. Now to get your black color, you click on this plus button here. And you can see you can lower it, this one here, you lower it to the black. So now this is our black color here. So this is it over here. So what we'll do now is this invest now. If you take a look, you can see invest now in there. You can see it, invest now. So we'll be putting our invest now in. Sorry, the thing is moving. Let's take it little up. So you bring out your, now to get that blue over there, you bring out your shape. You reduce it like this, and okay, and then you go to your radius. You can see that the radius is making it look round. So you lower it, you bring it to 100. Then you click on your mark button. You place it here. I think it's too big. You reduce it. That is if your own is big. And then you change the color. You go to A. And the other one, this one over here. And you click on edit. So what you do is the color. We need that color. So we already have the color here. This is the color. So you click on the color. You can see we have our color there. It's big, not containing space. Reduce it so you can put your number at the down. You can see it now. Now what you do is you bring out your text. You click on the text and you write invest now. You write your invest now. Invest now. Then you reduce it to the size of it. Put it at the middle of it. You can see. You can see now we need to make this thing bold. We need to make it bold. Now to make it bold, we will go to our style again. The other style we use the other time. Go to your style, on A, and you go to your style. Yes, this is our B style. You click on the B. You can see we are clicking on the B. Now we have it there. So okay, so this is done. What we need again now is the phone number. We need to bring out the phone number. Now to bring out the phone number, you click on your text, you put it here, and you double tap it. Then you write your phone number. You can write any phone number. Let me put alright, so this is the phone number. So what we do is you go to color. You need to paint it black also. Go to color. You can see that they're having black on their own. Then you click on the mark button. You reduce it little for your space to contain it. Put it at the center of the inverse now. You can see. Then you still go to the style. The style we used the other time, the B. The B. So on A, you go to the style. The style. Now this is our B style. You click on the B, the first one here. You can see now it has been bold. Then you click on this mark button. So what we need now is this little, if you take a look at it, you can see little shape at the side. Now what you do is you bring out your shape. Now this is our shape. We reduce it. You will make sure you reduce it little like this. Alright, so you go to color, you paint it the same color, the other with the other one. Then you click on your mark button. So what you will do is you rotate it. You rotate it like this. Then you put it at this edge. You rotate it very well and you put it at the edge. You can see. You can see now we have it. So instead of you to stress, you click on it. You click on this place. And once you click on it, you go to this third one and you click on copy. You can see we have another one. You put it here also. You can see. And then to bring out the two side own, you still copy it again. And then you put it. You can see that that one is sharp. It's actually sharp. Sorry, the thing is moving. It's sharp. So you put it here. You can see. Then you click on copy again and you put it at the left hand side. You can see. Sure that the two is pointing at each other. Okay, so let's take a look at what let's take it up of everything. So we take this one up of it so it won't distract it. Now let's take a look at what they design. You can see that we're having exactly what they design. Now what you do is you delete this one. You click on this delete icon here. Once you click on it, then you click on the delete icon. See now we have exactly what they design. So what you do is to save. Yes, this is actually very important. Please take a note to this. So once you want to save, you click um on this three dot, this one over here. What I mean is this one over here, this one, not the pixel app, this one here. I mean this one. So once you click on it, you save as image, not as project. Image. Then you see this format. You scroll down, make sure it's PNG. Then your quality should be either high, very high, or ultra. So let's use ultra and you click on save to gallery. So it has been saved. In the next few seconds, it's going to save to my gallery and then we have it. So now I told you guys that I'll be showing you guys app which I used to remove the background. Now let's go. So you go to photo room. This is the app here. This up one here, this is the app. So you click on the app too. You click on the start from photo and you click on your gallery. click on your gallery. So now what we want to remove, uh let's say okay, let me take a look at something. Let's say we want to remove this phone over here. Let's say we want to remove the background, the phone background. Let's me say this guy over here, this guy over here. Then we have removed his background. You can see what you need to do is you can see this transparent down here, this guy here. You click on the transparent. So once you click on the transparent, now the thing is going to set as transparent. Then you click on export. Maybe later, please compulsory. You can create and you cannot create, anyone you wish to, but I'm not actually creating an account. So you export it, save to gallery. Make sure you are saving it to your gallery. On save to gallery, you click on this done, then you are good to go. So in my next video, we are going to be talking a lot about it. Please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, and then turn on the notification button so whenever I release a video, you get notified. Please make sure you actually do that. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video.